What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another home renovation video here and a little update of my master bedroom and bathroom. We got a lot done. Gonna have even more done tomorrow. We have one door put up, one door taken out, a window put in, some coloring on the walls, and the floor put in for the bathroom. So that's the update. I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far, and I will catch you guys in the next segment, all right? So until then, I'll see you guys later. Just playing with you. But no, this is what it looks like now. So we got some coloring on the walls here. Got my accent wall going on here. Nice shade of blue. It is a Georgian Bay blue. We don't have any of the other walls painted yet. We have the barn door put up in place just to make sure that it's there and it can roll freely back and forth. We do have to take that back down along with the black track because we have to paint the board that it's mounted to and the wall. We got this door taken out, new window put in. That's the second window we put in there because the other one that we got from Lowe's was defective and it was really loose, and yeah, it was practically falling out by itself. So we took that back, went to Menards and picked up this window because Lowe's didn't have any good windows in that size. So yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we can try to get this framed in with some insulation and everything else, get this bumped out a little bit more with the framework, because this is like 3.5 inches right here that we have to account for with the walls. So we got to somehow build that out a little bit more with the windowsill and everything else, and get some drywall on that, mud it, sand it, paint it. Then in here, as you guys can see, Georgian Bay blue all around in the bathroom. Vanity's in, ready to go for the holes to get drilled down for the plumbing. The hole was in the floor here for the toilet before. We just kind of put it there to see if it rocked back and forth or not. The hole for the shower drain was already put in the floor. We put the shower base down. It fits nice and snug. Good to go. Then of course the other two holes for the shower shut off there, and then the shower head. We got the trim work done up around the corners here already. All we need to do now is, yes, we got the floor put in. Like I was saying, oops, that's the wall. Got the floor put in, snapped together. That was a pain in the butt. And we just got to get the trim work done around the base of everything. Caulk around the shower. And yeah, so plumbing tomorrow. Finish up everything here to tie everything into the main lines. We got to get the faucet tomorrow, get that hooked up. We also got to drill another hole down through the floor for the water, for the toilet. All this stuff you remember in my last video for when I was down in the crawl space. I actually hit the 2 water lines going down for the hot and cold that was going down through. Those are already down there ready to go. So yeah, everything's starting to come together here. We still got to get molding around up around the windowsill. So, and then we already have the shelving board ready to go for that. Then we just got to get the plates for the light switch receptacle over here, the GFI receptacle here. I'm not going to put a vanity light in because this one's bright enough up here, and I decided not to go with a shower or a fan light combo for the bathroom, because by code and regulation, as long as the bathroom has a window that can open, you don't need a fan. So instead of tearing the ceiling all apart, trying to figure out where the ceiling joists are going, if they're going that way, if they're going that way, trying to run a duct for the fan would have been just a pain in the butt. So we decided to just go ahead, and since this is up to code and regulation, I'll just crack the window whenever I take a shower or something. So no big deal. So, but yeah, that is the update as of right now. Like I said, Friday, May 15th. Tomorrow, a lot more work to be done. Hopefully here shortly. We might even get some of the other coloring up around on the walls here. We still got to get the ceiling tiles for this. the flooring for out here in the actual bedroom, repaint the baseboards, because the baseboards down here, I don't know if you can really see, but it's kind of cracking. You can see how it's like kind of spider webbed out. So we got to go over the baseboards there one more time with some white. But yeah, it's come together. So it's looking good. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If so, don't forget to leave a like, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, if I can only English today. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, leave a comment and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next segment, which will be here in a couple seconds for you guys, when I give you an update of everything that's done tomorrow, which is Saturday, holy crap, May 16th. There we go. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in just a couple seconds. Okay, so it is now Saturday evening. Didn't get as much done today as we hoped, but all the plumbing is done under the floor, like in the crawl space. And well, let me just show you here for yourself. Got the shower base down. The shower surrounds are in. We got everything hooked up and ready to go. We just got to get the doors and stuff on here tomorrow. The toilet is operational, and plumbing is done with that. So tomorrow, I think, like I said, we are going to be putting up the shower walls here, the glass and railings and stuff. And then also we will be knocking out this, drywalling it up, and we'll get insulation. We got to build it out a little bit more so that way we can get the drywall flush with the rest of the wall, and then mud it, or tape it, mud it, and sand it. Sanding will probably be on Monday, since it'll take about 12 to 24 hours to dry the mud before you can sand. And then hopefully after we get done sanding it on Monday, we'll be able to start painting the room, other than what you've already seen here. I do need to get probably a small like pint of touch-up paint, because when we were putting the walls in, or the shower surround, we did kind of ding up the wall here a little bit. And also, you probably can't really tell, but right in here, you can see that line right there. It didn't quite cover really good there. So, but other than that, it's coming along. So we also need to put molding up around the shower. We still got to caulk it all, caulk down the seams and around the base, around the bottom here. And yeah, it's going. And like I said, we just need to get the white trim around the baseboard here, the mop boarding done. And so yeah. So then of course around the window as well. And then we also got to get trimming up around this. That's going to be fun, because not only do we need to build up the windowsill out this way, but we also need to have it built up out this way and out that way. And yeah, you get the idea. So, but yeah, so I think that's going to end this video here until we get all the rest of the bathroom done, because that's almost complete. So once that's done and this wall's done, I will probably start the next video, hopefully before we actually paint everything, so that way I can get the update of the bathroom, update on this wall, so that way you can see it before we paint and then after we paint. So that's the plan, but things change. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget, things have changed a little bit. This Tuesday night will be our truck race at Eldora for the Gear Grinders Racing League. So Tuesday night will be the truck race, not Wednesday. So Tuesday, what is today? The 16th, 17th, tomorrow, Sunday 18th. So Tuesday the 19th, May 19th will be the Gander Truck Series at Eldora. And then Thursday will be the Xfinity race at Indianapolis. And then Friday night will be the Monster Cup Series race at Pocono. So, like I said, hope you guys are enjoying it. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. See ya.